Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Let us discuss into a very simple concept called as the standard normal curve. And I am getting a lot of queries on this particular topic because there is a slight bit of confusion on the way the question would be asked related to it. So let us look into the standard normal curve. Now all of us know from our third year part 1 that we have something called as a bell-shaped curve. This bell-shaped curve is bilaterally symmetrical. So if I take this as my center point, this is my 50th, this is my 0th, this is my 100th. We know the theorem that mean or median or mode plus minus 1 standard deviation is 68%. Now how do I draw the 68%? It is split from the middle. So this becomes my 68%, that is plus 1 standard deviation minus 1 standard deviation. This is 34%, this is 34% over here. Now if I talk about your plus or minus 2 standard deviation, it will be ranging from this value over here. So this is minus 2, this is plus 2, this is 47.5%, this is 47.5%, because we know plus or minus 2 standard deviation is 95%. So this is 2.5th, this is 16th, this is 84th, this is 97.5th. Yes guys. Now let me take a question for purpose of explaining to you. Suppose my mean is 30 and my standard deviation is 1. So this is 30 because it is my central value. This is 31, this is 32, this is 29, this is 28. So what different forms of questions can come over here? First, 95% people. Now suppose I am talking about this value as an intraocular pressure. So 95% of people have IOP values ranging from 28 to your 32 mm of mercury. First question which can come from this image. Second, if I say that the cutoff for glaucoma is 32 mm of mercury and I ask you what is the percentage of people having glaucoma, so you can see that the percentage of people having glaucoma will be this, which is 2.5% people. Yes. Now suppose I say that the total number of people are 100 and I say the number of people having an IOP of mean and mean minus 1 SD. That means they are talking about this particular region. So as you can see over here, it is 34%. Total people are 100. So I would say it is 34% of 100. So number of people would be 34. Yes. Now these are simple variants. Now let us look into the fourth one. If they say 95% people have IOP more than, or they say 97.5% people have IOP more than. So two questions, 95 97.5. Now, if we look into this image, this value represents 2.5. So 100 minus 2.5, you would realize that 97.5% people will have a value above 28. So answer to this 97.5% would be 28. Now this is my Google. Now guys, if you look over here, this value will be fifth. So suppose any value is marked, suppose for example, I am saying that they said this is 28.5. So they're saying 95% of people above. So this is 28.5. So you can see that there is 95% people above it, because 100 minus 5 is 95. So answer to this is 28.5. So these are all the probable questions which you can get from this particular topic. Guys, if you find any such topic tough or difficult, please feel free to reach out to me on my WhatsApp 9968859773, and I hope you are part of my Telegram group PSM said Agony Aunt. Guys, it is all about getting your concepts right. It is never about mugging up the concepts, and this holds true for INICT definitely, NEET strongly. Even FMG exams do need a lot of concepts these days. So do not miss out on such kinds of conceptual topics, because anyone can make you mug up. Weight of an egg is 60 grams, but it is very difficult to understand and learn the concept. So do not worry. Your PSM said your Agony Aunt is here for you. See you guys. Bye bye. Tada.